Want to build a six-figure personal brand that sets you apart from the crowd and opens doors to new opportunities? In this video, I'm sharing my secrets to creating a lucrative personal brand that generates a six-figure income. From establishing your unique voice and tone to creating content that resonates with your audience, I'll cover it all. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your existing brand, this video is packed with actionable tips and strategies to help you achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to take your personal brand to the next level and start earning the income you deserve, watch until the end. Join me as I take on the challenge of building a six-figure personal brand from scratch, and I'll show you exactly how I do it. I've been in this game for a while, and I've learned a thing or two about what it takes to succeed. My journey to building a six-figure personal brand has been a wild ride, but it's been worth it. Building a personal brand can be tough, and a lot of people struggle to get started. Many try to establish their online presence, but they don't know where to begin. They might create a website or social media profiles, but then they don't know how to create content that resonates with their audience. This can be frustrating, and it's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing the results you want. People often struggle to find their unique voice and message, and they end up sounding like everyone else in their industry. They might try to copy what others are doing, but this doesn't work in the long run. Creating a personal brand requires a deep understanding of yourself and your values, and it takes time to develop this understanding. It's not something that can be rushed, and it's not something that can be faked. Many people give up on building their personal brand because they don't see immediate results. They expect to become an overnight sensation, but this rarely happens. Building a personal brand takes time, effort, and patience. Networking is crucial, as it allows you to connect with others in your industry and build relationships that can help you grow your brand. Content creation is another important aspect of building a personal brand. This can include things like blogging, video creation, and podcasting. The key is to find a medium that works for you and to create content that provides value to your audience. I've also learned the importance of being consistent and authentic in my branding efforts. This means showing up every day and creating content that is true to who I am and what I stand for. It's not always easy, but it's worth it in the end. Consistency and authenticity are key to building trust with your audience, and trust is essential for building a loyal following. When people trust you, they are more likely to listen to what you have to say and to take action on your advice. There was a pivotal moment in my journey when I realized that I needed to focus on providing value to my audience. I was trying to sell them things, but I wasn't giving them anything in return. This shift in mindset completely changed my approach to building my personal brand, and it's been a game changer. I started creating content that solved problems for my audience, and I started engaging with them in a more meaningful way. This helped me build a loyal following, and it's been instrumental in my success. I've also learned to be more vulnerable and transparent in my branding efforts. This means sharing my struggles and my successes, and being open and honest with my audience. This vulnerability has helped me build deeper connections with my audience, and it's allowed me to create a more authentic and relatable brand. I've found that having a strong social media presence is key to building a personal brand. This means creating content that resonates with your audience and engaging with them on a regular basis. TikTok, with its massive reach and highly engaged audience, offers a unique opportunity for individuals to showcase their personality, values, and expertise in creative and authentic ways. It's not just about going viral, it's about creating consistent content that reflects who you are and what you stand for. To build a personal brand on TikTok, focus on being authentic and relatable. Share content that highlights your skills, interests, and story while aligning with your niche. Whether you're into entrepreneurship, lifestyle, fitness, or education, staying consistent with your message helps people remember you and build trust. Use trending sounds, challenges, and effects, but always add your own twist to make the content yours. Engagement is key. Respond to comments, collaborate with others in your niche, and go live when possible. The more interaction, the stronger your connection with your audience. Don't be afraid to show behind-the-scenes moments, opinions, or even failures, as these humanize your brand and make you more relatable. TikTok's algorithm favors consistency and creativity, so posting regularly and experimenting with different content formats like storytelling, tutorials, or relatable skits can help you discover what resonates best with your audience. Using relevant hashtags, optimized captions, and clear visuals also increases visibility and reach. Ultimately, building a personal brand on TikTok is about staying true to yourself, creating value for your audience, and showing up with intention. The more genuine you are, the stronger your personal brand becomes. The key strategies and insights I've shared with you today are crucial to building a successful personal brand. Create a signature style in everyday life, develop a personal dress code, catchphrase, or even a unique way you sign your emails. These subtle cues make people associate certain traits or feelings with you, reinforcing your brand in real-world interactions without you saying a word. Turn your story into a microbook or zine, write a short, compelling life story, transformation, or insight and turn it into a small booklet or zine. Distribute it in creative spaces, coffee shops, or local stores. It leaves a tangible, memorable impression and can be passed around like a business card with soul. Design a personal symbol or logo and use it offline. Get a unique symbol, mark, or minimal logo that reflects your values or identity. Embroider it on your jacket, put it on your water bottle, notebook, or even create custom stamps. The repetition builds recognition subconsciously. Host or sponsor local experiences. Instead of talking about your brand, build it through action. Sponsor a small art show, poetry night, or coffee pop-up, where your values are felt rather than told. You become the person who brings people together with a purpose, and people remember that. Invent a personal ritual or challenge. Create a daily or weekly ritual that others can associate with your name. It could be a 5 a.m. cold walk with tea, or silent sketching Sunday. Make it quirky, authentic, and symbolic of your lifestyle. Over time, people will talk about your thing and start joining in. Use scent as branding. This one's rare but powerful. Have a signature scent, maybe a blend of essential oils or a cologne that's uniquely yours. People remember smells far longer than visuals, and over time, it creates a powerful emotional association with your presence. Offer value in unexpected places. Leave anonymous notes of encouragement with your unique style or philosophy in libraries, bus stops, or books you donate. Place your website or QR code subtly at the end. You build brand intrigue in a thoughtful, generous way. Curate a living resume in public spaces. Find a unique physical format like a portable mini chalkboard, mural, or typewritten snapshot. Update it weekly with your current thoughts, learnings, or goals. Put it somewhere public. It becomes art, inspiration, and personal branding all in one. Create custom bookmarks with personal philosophy. Design bookmarks that include a powerful quote, lesson, or belief you live by, something that reflects your personal brand. Leave them inside books at libraries, bookstores, or cafes. It's a subtle way to plant seeds of your values and get people curious about you. Design a signature handwritten note style. Start handwriting short thank you notes, observations, or motivational quotes with a consistent visual style, maybe a specific pen, paper, or symbol you use. Mail or leave them in unexpected places. When someone receives a note like that again, they'll immediately know it's from you. Adopt a public learning habit. Pick something to master in public: juggling, chess, language flashcards, painting, anything, and do it in parks or cafes regularly. People begin to associate you with curiosity, discipline, and uniqueness, even if they never speak to you. You become the guy, girl who's always learning something. Create a free print magazine or poster series. Print a mini magazine or poster series filled with your ideas, insights, or creative thoughts. Leave them at co-working spaces, campuses, bookstores, or coffee spots. No digital connection needed, just pure, physical storytelling that sparks curiosity and conversation. Launch a public challenge with a real-world element. Instead of an online challenge, design a physical one like a 10-day kindness quest with printed cards or journals, or a walking trail with QR codes leading to your philosophy. Let people physically interact with your brand through real-world action. These kinds of branding strategies create memory and emotion, and that's what people remember long after algorithms have changed. Remember to always be consistent and authentic in your branding efforts, and to focus on providing value to your audience. If you've got any thoughts or questions about building a personal brand, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about branding, check out my other video on branding tips for further learning.